$20. Hmm?
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and
factor.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Some factor. And again, factor, the mama said just really cool. I want
I like to be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated.
rainfall
How
and
can we
everywhere
look
muddy,
the
muddy,
other
muddy,
way?
muddy.
Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Whenever time you see the vlog, guys, it's a continuation from yesterday. All right, yes. So, may I cook dinner? All right. What for dinner, you ask? Yeah, just not too long stuff. May I make curry goat, just that, and peas a cook. All right. Yep. The goat is goating right now. It's just starting to reach nowhere yet. Yeah, not reach nowhere yet. So that's what for dinner. Mega hold on. Mega steam some broccoli, carrot, and cauliflower, and maybe me make some. Something. Some other vegetables, some carrots and lettuce and cucumber and tomato. Maybe I do some of that with some mayonnaise, maybe. Yeah. And I get a nice pear. I market yesterday. But I don't want to buy plant, but I don't run out of money because I spend. So I never bother get to buy the plantain. So yeah. That's it for dinner. So I'm so check back in with that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
My salad bowl that I need. Yeah, me just make this. There's some lettuce, cucumber and tomato. So that's gonna go with the broccoli and carrot and cauliflower, guys.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So guys, we finished cook and take a shower. Now me have my dinner as you can all see. Yep. Food that can go down now. Food that I can.
Thank you very much. I'm looking for something and I cannot find it, but I have something else to read, so we'll hold on to that. Sometimes we have some senior moments here that you will not comment on.
You're craving me about.
Angie, oh yes, senior moments indeed. Dorothy Alley is having her birthday
Another video.
today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, okay?
And the entire chat room
Comment on the video, guys.
wants to
Comment so I can hear you all.
the best.
Okay?
Happy birthday to
Bye.
Dorothy Alley.